Welcome, my crypto friends. So today I'm going to show you how you guys can find the the meme coin that you guys can invest. This is for beginner, and if you already know about the cryptocurrency, this video is not for you guys. Just for people, beginner, and they try to find certain coin to invest. And I'm going to show you, you guys how you can find this website here. Okay, over here I have this Coin Hunter website that you just go type on coinhunter.cc.new and you can find a lot of coin here that are new, really new. Okay, it just put it on this website here and they ready to launch, right? So as you can look here, they post on here new coin right here. You can check it out one by one. And also you can check all coin here. You can click on all coin here, and then you can click on pre-launch. So how many day they gonna be launched, and you can get on pre-sale also. So like right here, it says right here the bet token. It says today. So and you can just click on this icon right here. You can buy it if you wanted to. So if you just click on this coin here, it will tell you all description. Okay, and the website, the Telegram, Twitter, and this way you can buy the Pancake Swap and then the BSC scan that you can get the contract address. And there's not much to say on the description here, but then if you click on the website, it should tell you something or you read to understand, okay? And they should have this website, okay, and how to invest it and all that kind of stuff. So, but I'm not gonna go into that. Just want to show you guys how you guys find this coin here. Okay, so you can click on this new coin again, and you can find all these coins that is gonna come out, what day they're gonna come out, and when are they gonna launch and stuff like that. Okay, this one you go to coinhunter.cc/news. Okay, and now after they have on here, and then when they launch, you're gonna go to CoinGecko here. Okay, so when they go to CoinGecko, that you can have all these coins that listed. But by the time it come over here, there's a lot of people already know, people already invested in, and you probably say, let's just say, you're a little late, so they probably come up with 14.0, and then they kind of go to like 12.0, stuff like that. For example, if you look at this King Shiba right here, like total of 14.0, so they already invest, you know, four already, so that you can have like 8, 9, 10.0 here and so on and so on. So these are the new coin that just come out, well, not just come, but recently come out, uh, so that you can just click on it and buy it, right? So let's just say take this one for example right here, say Raja Inu, that you can buy the coin from the Ethereum right here. So if you have the Ethereum, you can buy this coin right here, and this right here you can buy from Binance. So BNB right here represent BNB. You can buy this coin here. Okay. So let's just say that this right here, Baby Shark Inu, you can buy from Ethereum, and you click on it, it will show you. Okay. Now let's see if you can find this one right here. One NFT, go to Binance BNB, right? So if I click on it, just like that, it will show me the how many decimal point right here. Okay, so there's a lot of people already invest in it already. 121 people like this one. So also if you want to invest, you just kind of click on this contract address right here and click copy. For example, you click on that, you can say copy, right? And then you can go out there and start buying. Okay, and before you buy anything on this site or any other site, just make sure that you click on this BC scan, that you make sure that this contract address are the same. Okay, as long as this contract right here are the same as their website, you're good to go and buy. So, there's a lot of rug pull, there's a lot of stuff going on, but people rip you off left and right. So all that kind of stuff. So just be careful, when you invest in something, do your own research and make sure you do go on the right track. Okay. You don't want to just put your money, throw your money away. Make sure you do your own research, check the website, legit or not, stuff like that. You might see people posted on it and you're just gonna go out and buy. No, you don't want to do that. Just want to do your own research, check out the coin is legit or not. At least 90 out of 100 is legit, stuff like that. And another site I want to show you guys is that if I go to right here, the coin market cap. On coin market cap, you can find this coin also that just different website that you go to, and all these coin listing here, and it's Dogecoin, USD coin, Shiba Inu, stuff like that. So this site right here is almost the same thing as CoinGecko. So if you cannot find one, you can go to another one, find it, try to find it, and stuff like that. So this is really good website that you guys can go to, and and look at it and which one you want to buy. Okay, and it's pretty good, pretty good site that you guys can start investing and stuff like that. But most likely, I always like to go to CoinGecko. CoinGecko is the site that I like to go. It's not the best, but I always like to go out here quick and easy. I don't want to search anymore. For example, if I go out here and I want to pick up a new coin, and I just kind of click on here like read an ad, and it will show me that how many day or how many hour that it goes on it, then I just kind to invest on it, stuff like that. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys have anything to say, please leave in the comment below. And I really liked it, and I will be back. Okay, take care and have a